Hey guys, today we are headed into a estate sale. From the pictures, this house looks packed, so I'm excited to go in and shop. This little piece of furniture is cute. I don't know if it's for sale. I don't see a price on it. This is cute.
All those are held.
Yep, that's a whole table.
Oh man, whole table.
Yep.
That's why I like everything on here. I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. This piece is available in $75. It's so cute. Do I need it? Oh, what is this? It's like an old wooden house block set. That's precious. Look at this cow. Okay, I think we need these two pieces. All right, I opened up so we could see it. Oh, this is adorable. Wait, I see something over here. Is this a bunch of tiny little books? Y'all, tiny leather books. Okay, you're coming home with me. White, creamy picture. Ooh, look at the bottom. It's stained, florals on it. Let's see, made in USA, Crocksville China Company. Okay. Add that to the cart. Also look at these precious little plates. These are beautiful. Spode, England. Okay, we will add that to the cart. These books are beautiful. What is this one? Oh, this is the cover. I love the floral pattern on this one. The coverlet papers. I have quite a few nice older books. What is this piece up here? Look, this weird looking rocking horse. I think this is actually metal. It has a price tag on it. It was $55, wherever it came from. Ooh, I see some swirl cups made in England. Oh, and I like this little bowl right here too. Got some milk glass pieces, another little creamer. Oh, look at this little pottery piece with a bow on it. That's precious. I'm surprised it's not signed on the bottom. Ooh, I like this yellow pitcher right here. And then I think this bowl probably goes with it. Teapot. All right, I got a little pal. So this piece is actually stamped California pottery. Love that. I put this together. We're gonna bring that home. And then this is yellow ironstone right here. These 3 bowls, oh, 4 bowls. And look how cute this little tiny quail artwork is. And then look at this blue and white swirl. Johnson Brothers. There's 3 of those. Look at this piece right here. Blue birds and florals. Is that a bunny rabbit? No, it's a basket of florals. I have no clue what this is for, but it's definitely coming home with me. Oh, here's some wood things. Okay, we need that. We need this. No clue what that is, but we're getting it. Oh, I like this right here. Is that an ironstone piece? I'm not sure. I think it says made in England. Ooh, here's some spools of string and a bird, and this one actually has an eyeball. Usually when I find them, they're all white. And here's another little spool of string. So I'm gonna get all of these pretty white items. Here's another beautiful piece of furniture right here. So this is Magnolia Estate Sales, and nothing's priced here. You just kind of make a pile and make a deal, or the bigger pieces you ask for prices, but they always have really good estate sales. This is pretty, no markings on it. Here's a little wall pocket right here. Ooh, that is really pretty. Made in Portugal, hand painted. That is gorgeous. All right, let's check out this room. Look at this guy. That's funny. Wait. That's the guy. That's the girl. Okay, these are kind of funny. I think I need these. Lots of picture frames. Oh, look, here's some of those little clip-on shades that I put in my living room on the light fixture. Some jewelry. Look how pretty this is. This is some glossy white napkin rings with some birds. Love this. I never found a set like this before. Ooh, look at this suitcase right here. Oh my gosh. I do not need another suitcase, but this one is really pretty. I even like the inside. Bocce ball. Ooh, look at this shoe stand right here. That's really pretty. What is it? An encyclopedia? Oh, a dictionary. That's very pretty. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I should get this shoe shine stand. I've never seen one like this. It's really pretty, really interesting shape. It would look great on a bookshelf. I don't know what y'all think. Should I get it? All right, I'm in the attic now. Look at this box. That's pretty. Look at the duck on it. Christmas trees. Ooh, look at this metal thing right here. That's pretty. Look at these. I wonder if these are older or newer. It says made in China. Really pretty. You know I love white and gold for Christmas. I might get these for myself. Stop. Y'all, are you serious? Spools. How many do we need? All of them? Let's check out this room.
If you do not know what Squarespace is, it is an online hosting platform, and that is who I chose to host my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. Squarespace makes it so easy to create a website without any web design experience with their design intelligence program. They help you create a beautiful website with AI technology, as well as help you create beautiful and professional listings. And with Squarespace payments, they are making it easier than ever to accept all your payments in one place. There's so many different options for your customers to pay. And if you're a business, you know you need as many options for your customers as possible. So if you think you're ready to take your business to the next level, make sure you head to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/juliesdesignsandsigns to save 10% off your first purchase of your website or domain.
This house is big. Like it never ends, and I'm told there's stuff outside too. Oh, look at these praying hands. These are beautiful. New Orleans, Japan. Okay, we're getting these. Here's some oil lamps, but they're all pretty big. I only pick up the small ones. Oh, look at this box. Almost missed it. This is really pretty as well. It has little feet on the bottom. I love these little trophies. World's greatest grandma, world's greatest grandpa. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this book. Okay, we need that. Let's check out this one right here. Oh, this one's pretty too. Look at that gold writing. What is this? Some kind of stone thing. Oh wait, I think there's a cover. That's so pretty. Somebody signed it on the bottom. I think it says Italy 683 maybe, or 63. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, this box is pretty too. Is this an older or newer piece? I'm not sure. American country. All right, y'all, it just keeps on going. More China out here. These cute little pieces. Look at all the crazing. Oh my gosh, I love these. Those look beautiful on a little plate holder. Oh my gosh, I totally missed these. Those are so pretty. Made in England. I wish they had plates in this pattern. A cake stand. I actually want a glass cake stand for my house, but I don't know. I want something like pretty and special, maybe a little oversized. So I'm going to wait for the perfect one. Oh, I love this. I think this is hand painted. Oh, I'm surprised there's no signature on the bottom. There's a big cloche, but I want something tall. Y'all know what I mean? Something oversized. This pretty patio furniture right here. Ooh, I like that pot. Man, I wish they had two of these because I need some for my front porch. That is gorgeous. And it's actually resin. I thought it was going to be super heavy. It is not. But I really need a matching set. These are precious. Look at these little measuring cups. They're birds. I don't think they're old. Yeah, Creative Co-op, but I don't know. I think I still need them. That's gorgeous. Okay, look at all this white stuff, y'all. I'm about to have to put the phone down and like put all this stuff in my bag. Andrea Basadakik, you know I love that stuff. All right guys, we're getting a lot of this, but I'm gonna have to put my phone down and put it in my bag before other people start come and take it. What are these cute little snowmen right here? This property is so pretty, and it's not over yet. There's a shed somewhere back there, so I'm gonna walk out and see. Do y'all see that fireplace mantle out here? Look at that piece, that's cool. I need to look at the pot, see if I can find another one to that pot that I really liked. What? Is there a crock just chilling out here? I wonder if somebody already pulled that out and it's claimed. What size is it? Oh, a number 10. Alright, I think this is a shed. It's not too much in here. Look at this giant basket, but it has seen better days. What is this? Oh, I love these, but I actually have a few of them and I don't need another one. And this one has a hole, but I was looking at this thing. Oh, it's very heavy. Plant stand. This little piece is cute. It's missing the spout, but I think that'd be pretty with an ivy or something in it. All right, here's another shed. Hopefully it's safe to go in here, but look at the blue fencing right here and this old rusty bike. So pretty. This would be a great spot to come take some pictures. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, what is this? What's this? Oh, that's cool. It's a wooden piece. It smells a little funny in here too. It's a very, very rusty flour sifter. Oh, look at this wooden piece right here too. This one's hollow. You could use it as an umbrella stand. That'd be a very pretty umbrella stand. Oh, what's this basket thing right here? That is interesting. Let me get it out in the light. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, we need that. Alright, I don't know if y'all even gonna be able to see. It's so dark. Certainly wouldn't be able to see a creature if it came out and tried to get me. Some gourds. Oh, look at this lamp. Big brass. Looks like a little sack with a tie. That's pretty. I'm sure it needs some TLC. Or you could take it apart and use it as a vase. Look, I just found another one filled with cobwebs and everything. So I could take these home and I'd be ready to go for Halloween. Y'all, it just keeps going. We are about to head back to the house and we found another little shed. Look at this giant Tabasco basket right here. Look at this little metal piece that look amazing on the wall with a wreath. Look at these windows, old windows, Coca-Cola.
Look at that basket.
The galvanized. Oh, look at this planter. That's so pretty. The florals on it. Yeah, oh, that would fit perfect for your plant. Lee's been looking for a pot this size. All right, we need this one. I'm gonna need 2 hands to get it out. Oh, look at that fan. That's cool too. The gardens here were beautiful, so they actually let me pull a few of these out the ground. So I'm gonna see if I can transplant them. But look how beautiful this little setup looks right here with the wooden things that I picked up. It's a little bright back here right now, but I wanted to show y'all my plant. I did end up transplanting it, and I think it's going to do well. And actually, all of these plants right here I got from estate sales. Now, I do not have a green thumb at all, but I feel like if I get them from estate sales and they're already thriving, I seem to be able to keep them alive. So that's my tip. If you do not have a green thumb, just look for plants that are at estate sales. This is my haul from that estate sale. I got some really, really amazing items. Actually, this is not from the estate sale. This is a sap bucket. I can't remember where it came from, but how beautiful does it look with these florals that I have on my website? I actually have these all over my house right now. I love them. So I got all of these beautiful China floral pieces with some amazing crazing. We got some amazing yellow pieces as well. I'm obsessed with this yellow ironstone right here. And y'all, when I opened this up, I realized this was actually owls. Those are so pretty. Never seen a set of napkin rings like this. Some more beautiful floral china pieces right here. We got this amazing little wooden dollhouse playset right here that is really cool, and I can't believe it's still in the box. And it might be missing a few pieces, but not too many. I also got these wooden pieces, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. They will not be in the vintage drop. Also, this is mine as well. I'm thinking I'm just going to use this piece as is and find a place for it in my house. It looks amazing right here with some of these brown florals I have on my website. And these, I'm thinking about cutting them in half maybe and turning them into a riser candlestick situation. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Inside of this awesome basket right here, I found a wooden fish. I gotta just clean it up. We got these cute little book stacks right here. They're gonna be sold in sets of 3. So lots of goodies. These will be available on my vintage drop. It is the first Wednesday of every month at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time in the home decor section, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. And if you're interested in starting your own website, y'all go check out squarespace.com/juliesdesignsandsigns, and they are giving my viewers 10% off, and I will have everything linked in the description for y'all. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all real soon with another DIY thrift flip home decorating video. Bye guys.